Hey, good evening, guys. As we had decided in my previous video in the day zero that I would be first giving a shot at trying to build a landing page of this AI startup. So I think we have tried to do this for the past 2 days, and the result, as I show you, is before you. So basically, I had used React framework for building the landing page. So this is basically the overall structure that we'll be having a nav bar and a hero section. I'll just be showing you how the landing page is looking, but yeah, for now, so these are the different components. So as you might be knowing that React is basically first you build different components and then you put them together, and that is how it is the web page is built. So I'll first show you, so this is how the landing page is looking. So you've got a nice title bar with the name of the startup. I'm just calling it polybox.ai for now. So basically leverage LLMs for your business. Then we have got this logo, and we have got this login button where whenever a user wants to use the app, he'll just have to log in, and if he's a valid user, then of course he'll be able to log in and then use the app. And now we have got a hero section, with punchline that supercharge your apps with the magic of large language models, and that is what we are essentially going to do. That we are leveraging ChatGPT and LLMs and different kinds of prompt engineering to build a system where we enable the businesses to build chatbots specific to their business, specific to their data, specific to their users. Yeah. So, and we've got this nice graphic which basically is showing that our chatbot or the agent that we're going to build will be able to handle talk to different databases, talk to customer support, handle the customer support. It should be able to handle the Google Suite, data inside it, and then basically chatting on that. Then we also should be able to build an API that basically enables creation of new chatbots depending on the different business needs. And yeah, so we have just put a button which basically says that if you want to ask for a demo. And we've got this small description section or a feature section which I want to expand upon as we go along. And then we have got this contact section where if different businesses would like to get in contact with us, give feedback to us on what they want and how they think we can improve. So yeah, they can fill up this form, and we'll have a look at it. And then we have got this footer section where we have got about the company, we have got information about developers, and and how to reach out to us. So, and right now these links are not functional. We'll have to make it functional. These things are there. So yeah, till now I have built till here, and what I think I should be able to do in coming days is that one thing was that I wanted to get this login thing working. So I'll work on that, as well as I'll just work on the app itself. The app which the businesses will use to upload the data and talk to the data and etc. Yeah, I think I'll just go back to the code for now, and I'll just try to explain what I have tried to do. React is a framework developed by Facebook which builds on top of JavaScript, and what it essentially enables us to do is that we can write JavaScript code within the component itself. So if you have written codes in HTML, then what we used to do is that we used to catch that particular component or tag, and then we used to code that what should happen when it is clicked, or some event triggers, then what should happen. But right now what happens is that we build the logic inside the component itself. So here we should be able to write the logic for that within the tag itself. No need to put a script tag underneath and then all the JS code separately. It also leverages virtual DOM. So basically, if you do some kind of changes on the page, then it doesn't need for the page to upload completely. So it can just change that particular part that is needed. And so basically, yeah, so it basically provides virtual DOM, which makes the whole front end very seamless and fast also. And yeah, so basically in navbar, as you might be remembering, that we had a logo section and a login button. Then we've got a hero section where we had this caption: supercharge your apps with the magic of the large language models. Then we got a second hero section kind of, which we had create, launch, and oversee LLM agents that respond to user intent. And we also had this picture of those agents, etc. So yeah, those were there. And then if we go to the integrate section, then we had this integrate with our application thing. And this feature section we want to expand upon later on, as I told before. And also contact section we had. This contact section was where we wanted to get feedback from our users. This is the code for that. And then we had a footer section where we had the terms of services and the privacy policy and GitHub docs, etc. So yeah, I think this is all that I had for today. Next, as I told, that I'll be working on the login functionality probably, or what I would certainly do is work on the app. So let's try to meet tomorrow or day after with whatever progress it has been. Thanks a lot. Yeah, that's all for now. Thanks.